Hello everyone, welcome to Trap Shots with Nishan Krishna. I hope you are watching all my other videos in my channel. In case you like that, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to be notified on the next video. I have lot more interesting videos coming up.
The pleasant climate, beautiful blossoms blooming all around, the clear blue skies and the warm sun promises a perfect vacation and gives you a solid reason to travel in March. If you have been searching for the best places to visit in March in India, then this video is just for you. Trap Shots is all about travel, travel and only travel. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and also hit the bell icon to be notified on the next video. I have lot more interesting videos coming up. Now let's dive into the show. First in the list is Munnar. A charming hill station nestled amidst the Western Ghats, Munnar is famous for the beautiful tea gardens and estates, lush green valleys and rich wildlife. Once a coveted recreational abode to the British elites, Munnar now is a popular holiday destination. The onset of spring in March results in the climate turning cool and pleasant, which is why Munnar is one of the best places to visit in March in India and is flocked by tourists, backpackers, couples and nature lovers. Next in the list is Rameshwaram. For the love of beaches, temples and history, take a trip to Rameshwaram this March and explore this holy city and admire the magnificent architecture of the temples here. Rameshwaram is part of the Char Dhams in India and is also an abode to one of the 12 Jyotirlingas in India. According to the epic Ramayana, Rameshwaram is a place where Lord Ram created the bridge to enter Sri Lanka and rescue Sita, which is why it is considered a divine destination for both Shiva and Vishnu devotees. The magnificent Ramanatha Swami temple and sacred waters of Agni Tirtham, beautifully and intricately built 5-faced Hanuman temple and other places make Rameshwaram one of the best places to visit in March in South India. Next in the list is Gangtok. A beautiful and charming hill station in Sikkim, Gangtok is famous for its pleasant climate, artistically built monasteries, cascading waterfalls and pristine lakes. The quaint local with its picturesque landscape provides ample opportunity to the photographers to capture its scenic beauty with their lenses and also offers an amazing and captivating view of the mighty Kanchenjunga, making it one of the best places to visit in March in India. Fourth in the list is Ooty. One of the best places to visit in March in India, Ooty is the coveted hill station in South India that is thronged by tourists, nature lovers, couples, families and solo backpackers who love to enjoy its scenic beauty and incredible weather. Although this holiday destination is a perfect getaway all through the year, March to October is the best time to visit Ooty and the onset of spring in March attracts maximum crowd. Popularly called the Queen of Hills, this picturesque hill station nestled amidst the magnificent Nilgiris is a perfect place to relax, unwind and rejuvenate. The lush green valley, alluring lakes, botanical garden showcasing the rare and exotic flora, along with the tea estates and spice gardens make Ooty or Udagamandalam an amazing place to travel. Next in the list is Wayanad. Exotic wildlife and fragrance of fresh and varied spices welcome you when you enter Wayanad, a quaint hill station in Kerala. Wayanad is blessed with close proximity to the alluring Western Ghats, a reason why it is an abode to rich wildlife and an exquisite variety of flora and fauna. The cool climate coupled with an alluring landscape makes Wayanad one of the most sought after places to visit in March in India. I hope you like this edition of Trav Shots. Trav Shots is all about travel, travel, and only travel. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till the next edition, signing off, Nishant.